Have you ever dreamt of a life where you're not tied down by financial constraints? A life where you choose your path, not based on how much it pays, but how much it gratifies your soul. A life where you're not counting the days until the next paycheck, but savoring every moment of your journey. This is not a fairy tale, but the power of financial independence. Financial independence, it's more than just having money. It's about freedom. Freedom to make choices, freedom to follow your passion, freedom from worry. It's about having the resources to support your desired lifestyle without being tethered to traditional employment. This journey to financial independence is transformative. It's about growing, not just your bank account, but also your understanding and control over your financial world. It's about setting yourself free from the shackles of financial stress and stepping into a life of abundance. Imagine a life where your financial situation doesn't dictate your choices. That's what financial independence can offer. But what exactly does financial independence mean? Well, at its core, financial independence is the state of having sufficient personal wealth to live without the need to work for basic necessities. It's about having your money work for you, instead of you working for your money. Imagine waking up every morning and knowing that you could choose to work on a passion project, travel the world, or simply relax at home, all because you have a sustainable source of income that doesn't require your constant active involvement. That's the power of financial independence. Financial independence is not just about wealth accumulation, it's about achieving your personal goals and dreams. Maybe you crave the freedom to start your own business, spend more time with family, or retire early. Whatever your dreams may be, achieving financial independence gives you the freedom to pursue them without worrying about your next paycheck. Financial independence is about having the freedom to live the life you want without being tied down by financial constraints. So, where do you start on this journey to financial freedom? Well, like any expedition, it begins with an honest assessment of where you are. And this means taking a comprehensive look at your financial health. It's like going to a doctor, but instead of checking your pulse, you're checking your income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. Your income is the money coming in every month, whether it's from a job, a side gig, or investments. Your expenses are where that money goes: rent, groceries, that gym membership you never use. Assets are what you own that has value, like a house or a car. Liabilities are what you owe, like student loans or credit card debt. By understanding these four elements, you create a clear picture of your financial health. Remember, there's no right or wrong here. It's about information, not judgment. Understanding your current financial situation is the first step towards financial independence. Now that you know where you stand, it's time to decide where you want to go. Setting clear financial goals is a vital step towards financial independence. But these shouldn't be vague aspirations. They should be smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, a short-term goal might be, I want to save $3,000 for a vacation in the next 10 months. It's specific. You know the exact amount you need. It's measurable. You can track your progress. It's achievable. With a bit of budgeting, you can set aside $300 a month. It's relevant. You're already dreaming of that beach, and it's time-bound. You've got a 10-month deadline. A long-term goal, on the other hand, could be, I want to pay off my $30,000 student loan in 5 years. Again, this goal checks all the smart boxes. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish, so start planning. With your goals in place, it's time to take control of your money. Let's start by crafting a budget. Think of it as your financial blueprint. It's the detailed plan of your income, how much you're saving, and where every penny of your spending goes. Begin by noting down your monthly income, then list out your fixed expenses such as rent, utilities, and subscriptions. Next, outline your variable expenses like groceries, eating out, and entertainment. Now, align your budget with your financial goals. If you're saving for a down payment on a house, for instance, you might want to reduce your dining out budget and increase your savings. Remember, your budget is flexible. It's not about cutting out all the fun. It's about making informed decisions that bring you closer to your financial goals. In the same vein, a spending plan can help manage your expenses effectively. It's like your budget's best friend, helping you prioritize your spending and avoid impulsive purchases. A budget is a map that guides you towards your financial goals. Life is unpredictable. That's why you need a financial safety net. Building a savings account and an emergency fund is a key part of your financial independence journey. These funds are your protection against life's unexpected turns, from job loss to sudden expenses like car repairs or medical bills. Start by setting a savings goal. A good rule of thumb is to aim for 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. To build this fund, consider setting up automatic transfers from your paycheck to your savings account. Every little bit counts, so even a small amount each month can quickly add up. Investing in high-yield savings accounts or certificates of deposit can also help your savings grow faster. Remember, the goal is not just to save, but to grow your savings. And remember, an emergency fund is not just a safety net, it's peace of mind. Knowing you can weather financial storms allows you to focus on your journey towards financial independence with confidence. Want to turn your money into more money? Well, welcome to the world of investing. It's like planting a seed today and reaping the fruits tomorrow. Your seed is your initial investment, and the fruits are the returns you earn over time. Investing can take many forms. You could dive into the stock market, purchase bonds, invest in real estate, or contribute to retirement accounts. Each of these options carries its own set of risks and rewards, but they all share one magical element: compound interest. Imagine your money as a snowball rolling down a hill. As it rolls, it picks up more snow, growing larger and larger. That's compound interest in action. The interest you earn on your initial investment starts earning interest of its own. Over the long term, this can lead to exponential growth of your wealth. So how do you create wealth and achieve financial independence? It's simple. Start investing. Investing is the key to growing your wealth and achieving financial independence. What if you could earn money while you sleep? Imagine a world where your income doesn't stop when your workday ends. This is the beauty of passive income, a powerful tool on your journey to financial independence. Passive income streams are sources of earnings that require little to no daily effort to maintain. They can come from various channels, making them a versatile addition to your financial portfolio. One popular option is investing in stocks that pay dividends. These provide regular payouts, essentially rewarding you for owning the stock. Another passive income stream to consider is rental properties. By owning and leasing out real estate, you can earn a steady flow of income. And then there's the digital world. Creating an online business, whether it's selling products or offering a unique service, can also generate substantial income over time. Passive income isn't about getting rich quick. It's about diversifying your income streams and building wealth over the long term. So remember, passive income can help you achieve financial independence faster. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. This age-old saying has never been more relevant, especially when it comes to your income. Diversifying your income sources is a smart strategy for financial stability and growth. It's like having a safety net. If one source fails, you have others to fall back on. Let's take a look at some ways you can diversify your income. Ever thought about a part-time business? It could be anything from a weekend pop-up food stall to an online store selling handmade crafts. Or perhaps a side hustle is more your style. Freelance writing, tutoring, or even pet sitting can bring in extra cash. Think about your skills and passions and how you can leverage them to generate income. Remember, these don't have to be full-time commitments, but they can provide a steady stream of income that complements your primary job. Multiple income streams can provide financial security and accelerate your journey to financial independence. The path to financial independence is not a straight line. Just as a captain adjusts a ship's course to accommodate changing winds and currents, you too must regularly review and tweak your financial plan. Life is full of surprises, and your financial plan must be flexible enough to handle them. Perhaps your income changes or unexpected expenses arise. Maybe your financial goals evolve as you journey through life. All these factors necessitate consistent monitoring and adjustment of your financial strategies. This isn't a sign of failure, it's an essential part of the process. Remember, a financial plan is not a set-and-forget tool. It's a dynamic blueprint that should evolve with your life and circumstances. Regularly check in on your progress towards your financial goals. Are you on track? If not, what needs to change? Financial independence is a journey of continuous learning and adaptation. Stay flexible and be willing to adjust your plan as needed. Every step towards financial independence is worth celebrating. Just as a marathon runner relishes each mile marker, so too should you take joy in your financial milestones. These milestones are more than just numbers on a spreadsheet. They're tangible proof of your progress, your determination, and your growing financial savvy. Maybe it's paying off that first $1,000 in credit card debt or reaching a significant number in your savings account. Perhaps it's buying your first stocks or bonds or earning your first dollar from a passive income stream. Each of these victories, big or small, is a stepping stone on your path to financial independence. So how do you celebrate? Well, it doesn't have to be extravagant. It could be as simple as a special meal, a night out, or even just a moment of quiet reflection to appreciate how far you've come. The key is to acknowledge your achievements and to use them as fuel to propel you forward on your journey. Remember to reward yourself for your progress. After all, it's your journey. Ready to start your journey to financial independence? The path to financial freedom is not a sprint, but a marathon. It begins with a comprehensive understanding of your financial health, setting clear and realistic goals, and then creating an actionable plan to achieve them. Remember, budgeting and spending wisely are your allies on this journey, and savings, investments, and diversified income streams are your tools to build wealth. Regular monitoring and adjusting of your financial plan is crucial, as the road to financial independence is not always straight. Celebrate your milestones, no matter how small, to keep you motivated along the way, and never stop learning. Continuous financial education is key to staying informed and making smart decisions. So, are you ready to take the leap? To step out of your comfort zone and start crafting your own financial destiny? Don't wait for tomorrow. Start your journey to financial independence today. And remember, every journey begins with a single step.